Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on Mac. While the game isn't natively available, several excellent methods allow you to join the action. We'll explore cloud gaming, which streams the game to your device. Then, we'll discuss virtualization software, letting you run Windows within Mac OS. Finally, we'll cover Boot Camp, offering a full Windows installation for optimal performance. Let's dive into these exciting options. Cloud gaming is a fantastic way to play Apex Legends without installing it directly. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the game from powerful remote servers to your Mac. You'll need a reliable internet connection, ideally at least 15 megabits per second, for a smooth experience. This method is convenient, requiring only a subscription and your preferred input device, like a controller or keyboard and mouse. Virtualization software, like Parallels Desktop, enables you to run a full Windows operating system as a virtual machine directly on your Mac OS. This means you can install Apex Legends within that virtual Windows environment. While convenient, performance can vary significantly based on your Mac's processor, RAM, and graphics capabilities. Remember, you will also need a valid Windows license to set up this virtual machine. For the most optimal gaming experience, Boot Camp Assistant is an excellent choice. It allows you to install a complete, native Windows operating system on a separate partition of your Mac's hard drive. This provides significantly better performance than virtualization, as Windows runs directly on your hardware. You can easily switch between Mac OS and Windows when you restart your computer. Just ensure you have a Windows license and enough free storage, typically at least 100 gigabytes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.